Hello friends, in this short and basic video, I'm going to show you how to update driver on Windows 11. So click on Start. Here search Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Now guys, in this list, you have to find out where you need to update driver. Like camera is not working or display is not working or any another option and you need to update. So expand it, right click on it, and once you right click here you will see some options: disable, uninstall and update. So select this first one, update driver. Here you need to select this first option if you want to update driver automatically, and also you can update driver from your PC. So select here browse my computer for drivers, locate and install a driver manually. Now select here, let me pick from a list of available. Now here you will see a list of available drivers. Select it, then next. Then click on OK. So this is the settings guys, you can update a driver. Thanks for watching.